Okay, so I bought a wallet case for my old iPhone XS Max, and it's from HOLDIT. And this wallet case has some extra card holders, as you can see there. Feels very good. So this case I will have for my old iPhone XS Max. This phone is 2 years old now, and hopefully I can have it 1 more year, or even maybe 2 years, hopefully. That depends on how good the battery life will be after so long time. Now it's 92% after 2 years. So hopefully 1 more, or at least 1 more, and maybe 2 years still. Hopefully. So let's see how this wallet case will look on the iPhone XS Max. As you can see here, it's from HOLDIT, a Swedish company. I bought this at Shell and Company in Sweden. And the good thing with this is that it's 2 parts, as you can see here. It's magnet for this one, so it's a 2-part case. But let's remove this one. Very strong magnet. So I have removed that one, and we remove this one too, like so. HOLDIT, a Swedish company. HOLDIT.com, as you can see there. Here we have the magnet case itself. Feels very, very nice, actually, very nice. It's some kind of rubber, plastic, something. So you definitely will not drop the iPhone XS Max with this case on. So let's put the case on the phone first. Like so. As you can see, feels very, very good. Very, very good. I like this. Feels very, very good in the hand. I like that. And it looks nice too. I like this a lot, actually. It's not an Apple original case, but as I said, it should just last until the battery is completely dead. So I'm surprised how good this one was. So now we have the wallet case. Same material as on the back of this, so I like that. We have some pocket here, and we have 6 credit card holders. Very, very good. So now if I just whoa, very, very strong magnet. So if I try to have it in place, that was kind of hard to do, actually, I think, but something like that. Now we can close it, and we also have this as a magnet, as you can see, so it stays closed in a bag, for example. As you can see, it's very, very thick with the wallet case on, but I will of course use the phone mostly without the wallet case, like this. But when I'm traveling and so, and walk and so, I will have it like this. And I will have these for my credit cards and so on. So I actually like this. That's about it. Bye.